Sorry. I'm sorry.
What is that, a real laugh?
Today, you will try not to fail at guessing the mystery sound.
Whoa.
Okay. There are many things in the world, Gina. I don't know what you want.
There are many sounds in the world.
It's gonna be fun.
Senses.
It's gonna be fun no matter who wins or who loses.
What is this information?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Pop Rocks?
Oh, it's cereal.
Yeah.
What
That's
kind?
Fruit Loops.
Nope.
Rice Krispies?
Yes!
God dang. It's either a stuffed animal or a comb or a hairbrush.
No.
No.
Listen closer.
Oh,
When I was a kid, we used to eat Rice Krispies all the time, and it was like my favorite part was when you added the milk and it made the popping sound.
oh my God.
Yeah.
It's like food. Rice Krispie treats.
Oh, I know, you
Crackle
know.
Pop.
Yeah.
No, what are they called? Like Rice Krispies. Like,
Yeah.
yeah? Yeah?
Yeah, you got it.
It's with the little elf.
Yes, no, you know it. Oftentimes this isn't just a cereal, it can be a like candy.
Rice Krispies.
Yes.
It smells like childhood.
Dude,
Yes.
Like it's a very distinct like blandness to it.
it's illegal to have one of these, isn't it? No, it's not illegal yet.
Is that a bubble blower of some kind?
Is this a Furby? Oh my God.
What the hell?
I'm horrified. Is this that terrifying baby doll spider from Toy Story?
I had one of these when I was a kid, and my brother hated it so much that he threw it out of a second-story window.
Oh my God, is it like, oh my God, I can't feed them after midnight.
Yeah.
Oh my God, like a gremlin?
I'm sorry, I don't have food for you. I don't. What do you want?
A troll?
Okay, like what thing is super close to gremlins in the like children's toy world?
A troll.
Tickle me Elmo.
Does it have big eyes?
Yeah.
Oh, it's a Kirby. No, a Furby. A Furby.
No, I don't think I got it.
I had a friend who her Furby went off in the middle of the night, and it just said, "Me hungry, ma, ma," which is terrifying.
Terrifying.
No, I know what this is, but I don't want.
Am I
What?
it is?
It's fresh.
Oh, clue number uno.
Am I gonna know?
Is this going on Adults React? What?
Is it a hold?
What the?
Is it an electric toothbrush?
Not quite.
Is it a,
No, you didn't. Girl, is it just a vibrator?
It is!
It's a vibrator.
Correct!
Oh, it's a massager? Like one of those like massage things?
Nope. Not quite.
It's not a vibrator, I know that.
Oh, do you know that?
Actually,
Is it not? Is it a vibrator?
Blindfold off.
Oh my God.
I'm holding a fresh one.
It won't stop.
Why is it going so fast? Okay. Is this a cuckoo clock?
No.
Is this a Jack in the Box?
No.
This sounds really ominous.
Is this a
Yes.
Is this a whatchamacallit? The little oven maker thingies?
Nope.
Oh, this is loud.
Why is it getting closer? This is really scary.
Is this one of the
On the side.
the monkey symbol thingies?
Okay, but it's not a clock.
not a pendulum? Men's. Oh my God.
Mouse escape, rat escape. What is that board game called?
You know it.
I do. It keeps time.
Yes.
A metronome. Yes.
Can you still hear the lambs?
Oh my God! Why are you doing a Hannibal Lecter impression? Oh, again, sorry, cursing. It's a metronome.
Is it a metronome?
Yeah! Right? Isn't it cool?
Yeah.
A knife.
Hello. Are you walking home alone this evening?
Lord. No, I beg of you to turn it off.
What is this?
No way, he doesn't even know what it is. No, what are those called?
Well, a whistle of some kind. Oh, like
I will say it's in his mouth. It's making it make that
It's a
noise.
candy?
Yeah!
Yeah.
It's sweet.
but sweet. What is it, a candy whistle?
Is it like a candy kazoo? No.
What kind of candy? Do I have to guess what?
Yeah.
I mean, she basically said the components of it already.
Whistle
Yeah.
candy.
She said whistle candy.
Sure.
Yeah, whistle candy.
Yeah, you got it.
Oh,
She knows
Sure.
what it is.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll give it to you.
A candy recorder?
it is.
Sure.
It's a candy whistle.
A melody pop?
Or a
I've
whistle
never
pop.
heard of that
Is
before.
it good? Does it taste good?
Yeah, it's kind of fire. Like, I don't think I'd want to eat it. I just want to keep going.
Nah, you're gonna get this right away, I'm sure of it.
Oh, I feel so powerful right now.
What is Star Wars?
What
Yes.
about it?
Is this a lightsaber?
Hell yeah!
Is it a lightsaber?
Yes.
Somehow I have, hope.
A lightsaber.
Yeah!
Oh, hell yeah. Oh!
Does this do like the, if you hit it, like the pew pew?
Oh.
Sorry.
Jiminy crickets, man.
It's heavy. Oh. See, that's why I don't think I could be like this and now.
Okay, I gotcha.
A one-time.
A one-time thing.
Okay, go.
Now I'm nervous. That's it?
That was a crack.
Yes.
Breaking something.
Okay.
Peel.
Oh, and there's...
Ooh, I hear like ripping.
It's like a gun of some kind?
That gives me vegetable vibes.
Oh, you ate.
Sorry. I'm sorry.
What is that, a real laugh?
Okay.
Like a celery stick?
Oh my
You got it.
Broccoli. Carrot. Onion. Radish. A carrot.
God. What makes this like?
Asparagus.
Same shape.
Celery?
Oh, golly. Is it dripping on me? Is that a cute celery?
Yes! And the answer was, it was dripping on you. Just a tiny bit.
This literally is one of my greatest pet peeves in the whole world.
Oh no.
Is what I'm about to do.
I don't like that. I don't like it.
Is this like a cork board?
Oh no. Is it chalkboard? Shut up.
What will win on the chalkboard?
Nail.
Ooh. Why does that make the back of my tongue crunch up?
What's on it? Nails on a chalkboard? Oh, I see.
Disgusting. God, I hate it. I hate what you're
what
doing.
else would you hate?
It's not nails on a chalkboard.
It sure is.
I mean,
Is
that's-
it? No, I don't like it. I don't like it.
Don't forget to turn in your homework. It's due tomorrow.
Extra credit if you turn it in early.
Yes.
Fascinating.
All right, go ahead.
What the?
She said she'll get it and then she laughed like, no.
You know what this is?
Stop, it's those little toys that go, oh. Am I right now?
Like.
Was that the sound? It's like a duck call of some kind.
Yeah, what's it called?
A bird toy. A singing. I don't know. I've never heard this in my life.
I don't think these were around when we were kids, bro.
What is it, a yawn machine or a sarcasm machine?
What's a
What's
sarcasm
a
machine?
sarcasm
You
machine?
know, like if somebody was saying something stupid, you'd be like,
I would love to have one of those for my office. Just like, oh, really, Stephanie? What is this?
This is an Otamatone.
Girl, what? I feel like music teachers would use this.
He's cute.
Little whistling semen.
He's cute. Yeah, a whistling semen. A
Whistling
Otamatone.
semen.
Oh, what was that? What? Hello? Are there projectiles?
This is like a stapler?
Oh, it does sound like that, but no.
Paper cutter?
Wait, jiggle it around?
Okay.
Is that a Jack in the Box?
Nope.
Okay, doing it more scary, it doesn't help me.
Like, you know those like, that was easy buttons, but like without the like noise.
Is it a whack-a-mole?
No.
Hello, Clarice.
Okay, not every.
Getting better.
Okay, girl, I'm gonna just take this off and...
Alright, this is hard.
You wanted me to get trouble?
Oh, is this Hungry Hippos?
No.
No.
But you're kind of in the right world. Think of your child.
Boggle? Trouble?
Trouble,
Yeah!
Oh, what is it called?
You're in.
Trouble.
Yes!
A pop-o-matic.
Oh my god. That's, I can definitely see why I thought like, oh
Yes,
wow.
that's really accurate.
Yeah.
Ooh, I love this color.
You know how to do this.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god.
Another toy?
Oh my god.
No. You have to put your...
Like a machine.
Yeah, okay. It is a machine, but it's a...
Hello?
A phone? Is that a phone?
I panicked.
A rotary phone?
I have an idea, to be honest.
Say it.
Okay, here, let me...
Oh, it's heavy.
Like a rotary?
Yeah.
A rotary what?
A rotary phone.
Yes!
For real?
Nice!
Oh my god.
I hear you like going like, phew.
Yeah, like to an extent.
Is this a rotary?
Yes!
I mean, I picked it up and I said hello. I don't know what's wrong
That
with
was
me.
the biggest giveaway ever.
I don't know what's okay. I don't know what went through my head where I was like, huh.
You got into character.
I mean, it's a really good hint.
He's getting the point
Just
because you
by
go.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how good I am at this.
Oh god.
I haven't done this in a hot second. Here, let me.
Oh.
Can you do the one like on the table?
You asking too much from me right now, Gina.
Are you playing with a deck of cards?
Oh, did you take something off? Are these cards? Yes? Yes? Can I open? Yeah!
I didn't even get to my shuffle.
Okay, deck of cards.
Correct.
Hey!
Oh my god!
I have no idea how to shuffle cards.
I'd actually like a do-over. Make sure that was actually 52 cards.
Oh. No. Oh, I was excited. No, I feel like you can do it. Yeah!
I would like a do-over where I don't have a phone as a clue and then go hello like an insane person.
I like that you got into character, to be honest.
What? Trust. Oh, trust.
Oh.
Girl, you know what that sounds like? What? And I know it's not this. It's door stopper.
Yes! Oh my god.
Maraca.
This sounds like a really nice, like an alarm.
Is it brown?
Yes. Yes.
Right.
There are bits and bobs of brown.
Brown, and then it's like balls on each side. And then, right?
It's an instrument, I'll tell you that.
Oh.
Yeah, but I don't...
A drum? A drum maraca. What is this? I love it. It's
All right, you're not gonna get it. This is a Vibraslap.
Right, because everyone knows how to play the Vibraslap.
I guess I get the physics behind it, but I don't know what it's from or why.
slap it.
Oh, easy.
Do it.
Oh, you got this. You got this.
Oh, okay. Like, I got this.
Yes, like I promise.
Okay.
Oh.
Is this mac and cheese?
Slime.
Gross.
Ew. Ew.
Yeah, it's pretty nasty out of context.
Jeez Louise. Is this like gack?
Oh my god. It smells like dog food almost. Like,
It smells funny too. What is that? Okay, it sounds. Okay, is this macaroni and cheese? Yeah.
why is it not, is it white?
No.
Oh wait, mac and cheese, mac and cheese!
Are you kidding me? I guessed that the first time.
That was scary.
You're like, is it white? And then it was like, not in its final form.
Wop.
They sang the whole one.
Take a bucket and yeah.
But I used to like, you know the powder that goes in here?
Oh, yeah,
I
yeah.
used to like literally dip my finger in like fun dip and like eat that.
Just the powder?
So good.
Oh man. I remember that came out during the pandemic.
Okay, let's pass it on. What are you doing? You're getting ready to tell a story.
Yeah,
Like, this
just-
is the mac and
just
cheese.
Mushing those noodles together.
The winner of this challenge is Chris. Congratulations!
Yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
As the winner of this challenge, you will now have the chance to punish the loser by making the most annoying sound you possibly can for 2 minutes straight. And as the loser, you must sit with your ears open and let it happen.
Okay.
I can't, what? Like, I don't know how to make an annoying
use a
sound.
prop.
Like, I can use I feel like,
Nothing that comes out of your mouth will ever be annoying to me.
wow.
Okay.
Dun, 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 dun. It's like, I just got a pop! Can't do it yet! Pop out with a truck! Can't do it yet!
Boy, hoy, minoy, 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 minoy.
I hate that pitch.
1 more minute.
No way. There's no way there's another minute of this.
It's time.
Honestly, though, my eyebrows started twitching.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye. Are you gonna say bye?
Thanks for watching!
Bye.
Bye!